So I want to try and do a bit of tidying up in here, and what I have here are some of my poles which I use for my gutter cleaning. So I want to try and put them up there, but I need to make kind of like a bracket to go up there so I can slide them in. So I'll be doing that a bit later. I'll be talking a bit about my gutter cleaning business and what else I'm kind of offering as well. Basically what we have here is called the Hedgehog system. Okay, I've got I've got meters and meters of this stuff. Okay. Basically what it is, it goes in your guttering, and instead of it filling up with moss, debris and all sorts of rubbish, basically what that does, it sits actually inside the gutter itself. It doesn't allow the moss to come in, but it allows the water to run through, so your downpipes basically stay nice and clean and clear. This is my mobile battery pack, so I can literally hook my vacuum cleaner, my Einhorn vacuum cleaner, up to when I do my guttering, because sometimes you go to a place and you can't get any power. You know, this is a mobile power unit, so that will basically run it. I didn't see the point in me spending thousands of pounds on new equipment, and you really can. I mean, to get the top-notch kind of a vacuum cleaner, you're talking the best part of £1,000 for one of those. You know, to do that's what the professionals use to clean gutters out. And then you got all the poles to go with it. Well, you're talking best part of maybe £600 or £700 extra for that. And me being 59, approaching 60 years of age, I've only literally got about another 5 or 7 years of working life in me, so I didn't really want to go out and invest all that money on stuff which I didn't know whether it was going to work or not. Other tools of the trade, flexible hose. I've got yards or meters of that stuff to use, which connects to my little Einhorn. This is really good, to be honest. That's the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I think I paid about 60, maybe £70 for that. I've got my poles up here. This is what I got from Wix's. Just all part of my very low cost budget setup, but it does the job. Gets clogged up every now and again, but you can soon overcome that. You just get yourself up there with the pair of extendable ladders, which I've got here. I've also got myself, you can't see it very well, perhaps when I pull it all out you probably will be able to, but I've got an extendable kind of brush which fires out water from 2 little spouts, and that's really good for cleaning out gutters if you really have to, but good for cleaning soffits, fascias and the gutter face as well, so it's all pretty good. So roughly you want about 4 equal sizes. Right, here I should have some drill bits somewhere. Find the right one to be good. So roughly in half, that's going to be 42, 40, 45, 46, 47 and a half, isn't it? Which would be there, I believe. It's Wiltshire, man.
When did you get that?
It's Wiltshire, man.
When did you get that then?
When?
A drill.
Had it in COVID. I got that. I got that in COVID. Yeah. Putting some racking up. That's all.
You pleased with that Neo-drone now, eh?
Really good, Sandy, yeah.
When it was wandering, it was in attitude mode, was it in locked into satellites? That's why
Yeah, probably, yeah, because where I was,
couldn't get a signal.
couldn't get a signal very well, yeah.
So now you getting a good signal now?
Oh yeah, well, it did what I wanted to do. It did well yesterday for me.
You bet you prefer it to the
Well, different. It's just a different machine, son, really.
hey?
It's a different machine, isn't it?
Yeah. It's just got follow me as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it does well. I'm happy with it.
So what are you putting up there then?
Reckon to get my things out the way, you know, the pipes.
Hey?
Get them pipes out the way because they're just led on there all the time. I'm nearly finished.
What are them pipes for then?
Oh, they're for my
your, business?
yeah. Get them off the ground, otherwise they just fall and flop around all over.
What's a walkie for the good girl?
How are you then, sir?
Tea.
You okay, are you?
Yeah, alright.
Been up to much at all?
Not much, no.
No? You've not been doing much in sand now?
Riding my motorbike, camping, riding my push bikes and the trike.
Yeah.
But that's it really. I'm working tomorrow.
What, knife making?
Knife making.
There we go. Give myself a bit of slack. A bit of slack, Sand, a bit of slack. A bit of slack's always a bit good, isn't it? Every now and again. What do you reckon of my drone video then, Sandy? Alright with it?
Oh yeah, just, after a while though, they all get the same bit sameish, aren't they, with the old...
Yeah, that's the reason why I'm making this video. Anyhow. Wiltshire Man's arrived. What do you reckon, Wiltshire Man?
Yeah, I've been filmed, haven't I?
You are being
the
filmed.
camera there, and the camera there.
Yeah, that's right, yeah, 2 cameras. Right, so the idea is that my wife stops moaning and groaning, so I can put my... Yep, we'll be out for a walk in a minute. Can get these off the ground. And everyone's happy then, isn't they? Pretty much. That's the idea anyway. Should just go in there, I think. There we go. Plenty of room, plenty of room. And I'm kind of hoping to sort of get this up there as well, but that might be a bit more of a problem. There we go. Okay, well, it's not ideal, but I mean, at the end of the day, it keeps all my stuff out the way, stops the wife from crying and whining and whatever else. So yeah, all is good. Just tidies it up really. Something simple, some simple little racking there just to get my work tools away, and when I come in of a morning I can just grab whatever I want off of there. I can look at it and think, right, what do I need today? Right, I need that and that, and then just whip it all out, and when you're finished, take it out your car, put it all back up there, and it just clears up a bit more room. Otherwise it's up there and it's strewn across here. It's not fair on the wife really, so yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's job number 1 pretty much done. Got to tidy up. Yeah, I got
dog walking, or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm going to do that in a minute. Right, so I have my extendable ladders with me, and I cleaned them the other day because they've got a little bit snatchy. You do need to look after these, so they should go up nice and smoothly now. I actually oiled, you can see the oil on there, I actually oiled them so they can go up and down nicely. I want to get up the top there. I want to go and have a look and see what my gutter is like on the other side of the conservatory. Right, up on the roof, you can see that there is some bit of an issue going on down there, so it's quite easy to remedy that one. All I need to do is to get my portable battery up here. Take it up there. That's quite heavy, that is. With my suction machine. Got all of it, everything I need pretty much. And my extension as well. Suck it out. It's about as much as I can do with that, to be honest. Okay, right, so the gutters around the side of my little bungalow here look as if they haven't been done for quite a while. Okay, right, so it's now just a question really of feeding it in and along, and this is a 4 meter length of the hedgehog system, which should be enough to do probably about half of it. So I'm going to be supplying, hopefully supplying and fitting this stuff as part of my ongoing business. Right, we're coming towards the pretty much the end of it now. I think I'm going to wrap it round here, I think. Give it a pull. And we're Take it around the side, like so. And then that's pretty much all in place right the way down. That's a good 4, 8, 11, about 11 meters there. That's the whole side of the house, and then all that remains for me to do now is to cut off a little bit of surplus, which is just on the side here with a pair of cutters or something. There we go, and that's your hedgehog system there. So any moss that comes down, it won't sit inside the actual gutter itself. It will just lay on top, and then you can just either just pick it off or brush it off with an extendable brush or something, which I've got several of those. So it looks like pretty good.